Welcome back in English language class. Students, today we will do chapter number 8, Determiners.
Determiner is used before a noun and it tells that about which thing or things we are talking. For example, a, an, the, some, what, which, etc. All these are determiners. There are 6 different kinds of determiners. First kind is articles a and the. Second, possessive adjectives, for example, my, our, your, his, her, etc. Next is demonstrative adjectives, this, that, these, those. Fourth kind is interrogative adjectives, what, which, whose. Fifth kind is distributive adjectives, each, either, neither are the examples. And the sixth kind is adjectives of quantity or quantifiers, few, little, many, some, etc. are the examples of this kind. Articles. Students, you all know that there are 3 articles a and the. Article a and an, these are generally used for indefinite person or thing. And article the, this is used for some particular person or thing. For example, he saw a doctor. Here a doctor means to say any doctor, means indefinite. We are not sure that about which doctor we are talking. And in the next sentence, he saw the doctor. Here the, it indicates that some special doctor, some particular doctor. Articles are used before noun. Second kind is possessive adjectives. These are used to show possession, ownership of the noun, and these are used before nouns in a sentence. For example, my books are in the bookshelf. Here my, this possessive adjective is used as determiner. Our house is near the park. Here are is used as determiner. Your shirt is dirty, his pen is on the table, her skirt is pink in color. In these sentences, your, his, her, these possessive adjectives are showing possession, belonging or ownership, and these are used as determiner. Next kind is demonstrative adjectives. These are used with nouns to tell their position, means to say the thing we are talking about that is near or far. For example, this book is mine, that mobile phone is yours, these flowers are very beautiful, those pens are yours. In these sentences, this, that, these, those, these demonstrative adjectives are telling position of the nouns. Next kind is interrogative adjectives. WH words like what, whose, and which. These are used before a noun to ask questions related to the noun. And these words are called interrogative adjectives. For example, which newspaper are you reading? Whose house is that? In these sentences, which and whose, these are interrogative adjectives and these are determiners. Next kind is distributive adjectives. Adjectives like each, every, either, neither are used before a noun to indicate each one of the mentioned group, and these are called distributive adjectives. For example, each boy took his turn. He knows every student in the school. In these sentences, each, every, these are indicating about each one of the mentioned nouns. So these are distributive adjectives. Sixth kind is adjectives of quantity or quantifiers. Adjectives like little, few, any, some, many, etc. These are used before a noun to indicate the quantity, to tell the quantity or answer the question to what extent. For example, there is little milk in the pot. Few boys were selected for the inter-school debate competition. Some questions were difficult to answer. Little, few, some. These are examples of adjectives of quantity. These are indicating about the quantity of the given nouns. Class, now some important points to remember. Students, remember that determiners are different from pronouns because determiners are used before a noun, or we can say determiners are always followed by a noun. So personal pronouns of subjective and objective case means to say I, you, he, she, me, etc. And possessive pronouns like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, etc. cannot be determiners. Means to say determiners are used before nouns. Class, cardinal numbers means to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And ordinal numbers means to say first, second, third, fourth, etc. These are also classed among determiners. Means to say these are also determiners. For example, there is only room for one person. Here one. Cardinal number is used before noun person and is used as determiner. This is the second time it has happened. Here, ordinal number second is also used as determiner. Class, revise this chapter carefully and do its exercise. Thank you and take care.